Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2013 Ford Explorer XLT. It has a clean Carfax report with only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with turn signals, roof rails, security code keypad entry, and much more. With solid on-road dynamics, decent fuel efficiency, and an accommodating, high-class cabin, the 2013 Ford Explorer is a top pick for a large crossover SUV. This Explorer has 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels and all-season tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire pressure monitoring system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Explorer is in great condition. It has automatic bifunctional projector beam headlights along with fog lights, recovery hooks, speed-sensitive wipers, and a really nice satin silver finish grille to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Explorer has 4-wheel drive and is equipped with an 18.6-gallon fuel tank. Let's not forget that this Explorer has only 25,507 miles on it. At the back of the Explorer, you can see the antenna, the spoiler, and the rear wiper, along with the dual exhaust, large LED tail lamps, and sleek badging. Look into the cargo area. You see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features a power outlet and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Explorer even has a very comfortable third-row seating option for carpooling with family and friends. Passengers in the second row will be excited to find their own climate controls. They can use the cup holders and the power outlet as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers and passengers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable cloth seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Explorer is also equipped with a locking glove box, a SOS post-crash alert system, and hill start assist. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors, the headlights, the power door locks, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Explorer has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. The center stack is home to your multimedia features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have automatic climate controls, and everything you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.